welcome to the video for this brand new vlog video. It's more of a raw video, so me taking you guys along, showing you around. Let's get right to the video, shall we? Let's start. So in a flash, we are in the car on our way to our first destination, so come along. Oh yeah, so for today I also brought this like little GorillaPod like thing. It's a mini tripod that's flexible. It helps a lot when you bring your camera out for different things, like when you're recording different angles and stuff. You could hold it, you could put it on, or you could also like wrap it onto like a cylinder shaped things like a tree branch or a pole or a handrail, something like that. So that's pretty handy dandy. We're now nearing a mini little airport. I'll try to get a zoom in on that. So there it is. I'm gonna zoom in. You guys see it? There's like a plane over there somewhere. There's a small airport. Hold on.
After 1 kilometer, keep left, then stay in the left lane.
And there is the air traffic control tower right behind the tree right there. You see? And then going along here, you see some like office buildings. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? So right now we've arrived in the city of Toronto, like we're on the highway still, and look around. There were a lot of cars, but right now it's pretty clear. So here is Toronto. We're in the local area now, or a part of Toronto. I'm not sure where it is, to be honest, but look, construction. If it would zoom in, there's a lot of glare, but oh look, there's a bunch of construction, buildings, stuff like that here. So my sister's doing some errands right now, so we're gonna come to this like mall area. There's a beer store, or LCBO rather. There's Sobeys, there's Home Depot on the left, there's Best Buy, Winners, Sports Check, there's a bunch of stuff on the right. So we're gonna take a quick bite to eat or something in Tim Hortons. It's right here. So we finished going to Tim Hortons to have like a little bit to eat because we didn't eat breakfast yet. But now we're gonna head over to like a place like Best Buy or something to go around in the mall. So we're back to here. There's some Sobeys, there's Sports Check, there's Winners, there's Best Buy, there's a beer store, LCBO. There's a lot of places. It looks like a little village or something like that, but it's actually pretty cool. They're all storage where we can like shop. So we're gonna head over there now. As I said, it's more of a raw vlog, but oh well. Yeah, to be honest, I want to go to Sports Check. Because we're not going to head over to Best Buy, and there's a lot of cameras. I'm going to see if there's any cameras that I want to maybe get. I want to get this right here. Look. I'm actually pretty excited because like there's a lot of like electronics here that I want to see and maybe get. And then I don't know where we're gonna go. We're gonna go to lunch today, maybe in a dim sum place. I'm not too sure, but so yeah, how'd you guys like this type of video? I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a vlog or something like that's raw video. It's gonna be something. This video is something like, it's something different. It's not soccer videos or free kicks or stuff like that. So maybe if you guys enjoy it, you guys could comment it or tell me if you liked it. So now we're gonna go to IKEA. If you guys don't know what it is, it's like a Swedish furniture store, or a bunch of stuff, to be honest. So we're in the parking lot, and look at that. Over here. It's over there. So we're finished going to IKEA. Now we bought a little lamp, and now we're off to lunch. So basically we're gonna go to a dim sum place. That's probably the title of this vlog, by the way. So maybe some of you guys clicked it because of that. So we're gonna go off for lunch. It's 12 o'clock right now, and we'll take you along for that as well. Look, here's a TTC, Toronto Transit something company. A lot of Chinese words. It's not Chinatown because we're not in downtown, but like, there's a lot of Chinese stores or companies over here in this area. Like, if you look around, you don't only see English. Oh, there's a KFC here. So we've arrived in our lunch area. It's like this Asian area. I don't know where we are, but I'm pretty sure I've been here when I was small, but I don't know what it's called. So when we get there, I'll show you what it is. We have to wait in line because there's so many people. We have to wait for a number because it's so crowded every single day. So we've arrived here, and so basically we have our seat. It took a while, so now we're gonna, basically they come in carts, most of it, so we have to wait and see what we want, and then we ask for it. Our first thing is chicken feet. So I'm pretty excited about that. I kind of like that, so let's try it. So I'm gonna try it out. So there you have it. We finished lunch in the Chinese restaurant. We're really full now. And basically that should be our entire vlog because I'm running out of storage space and a battery. So there you guys, my battery ran out as it was right after I filmed that clip. So, but then again, we finished the vlog. Thank you for watching this video. Please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, comment if you want, and thank you for watching, guys. See ya.